chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else to do.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, hello, I am Naturally Tahara. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can be notified on new videos. And don't forget to like. Okay, so today this unit is from Blackwomenhair Company. It is a 22-inch 13x4 lace wig, 150 density, and it is also pre-plucked. As you can see, they also did give me flexi rods and also a little makeup kit to do eyeshadow with, which I really love, and they also gave me some hooks for the hair. Let's get into the video. Right here, as you can see, I already did my ball cap method. Everything is already glued down and everything. So right here in this clip, I'm going to go ahead and assess the wig, making sure that it is right, making sure that the lace is above the actual cap, and making sure everything is aligned in the right place so that when I glue, or if you want to spray it down, that it is in the right place, nothing is showing, and everything is right. Okay, so right here I'm showing you guys the lace, and that I have not put makeup or anything on it. I'm actually going in with the even tinted lace spray. I know you guys cannot really see it right there, but it's in the color medium beige. This was the perfect color for me. You can find this spray at your local beauty supply. This is one of the better sprays because it doesn't drip everywhere. It's actually fast acting and it's fast to dry, so don't worry about it dripping anywhere. Also, the link to this spray will be left down below in the description box if you're looking for it. So right here, I'm just assessing the wig, making sure everything is right. So right here, I'm just going in with scissors to cut a little bit of the ball cap, making sure everything is right. I did see a little piece, so if you guys have to go back in, don't stress yourself out. Just go ahead and cut the pieces of lace that you need to cut. Don't cut too much. And make sure it's right. So here I'm just going in with my bold hold glue, making sure that I dot around the perimeter of my head, making sure I'm getting every spot. And then after I'm going in with the glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and get me something to pull it forward. Do not pull it backwards. It works better when you bring the glue forward toward your eyebrows. So right here, you're just gonna go in with the blow dryer immediately after you're done gluing it down. And it's not gonna be white anymore, it's gonna be tacky. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead in for the second round of glue if you want it to last a little bit longer. But if you don't want it to last, just go in with the one time around the perimeter. So right here, I'm just applying the lace onto the glue. You want to make sure that your cap is actually behind the wig so you can't see it. And you're just going to go in just like this and lay that lace into the glue, making sure that it is laid down. Even with the rat tail end of that comb, you want to make sure that you're pressing it in. That is why I made sure that the glue was dry, so that you would not see the glue coming through the wig. And you're just going to go ahead and put that right on in. Go ahead and press it just like I'm doing down, even around the ear tabs. I know a lot of people forget that. And then you have the ear tabs lifting up. Go ahead and press all around where you put the glue at. So right here, I'm actually going to go ahead and lay it down with my scarf. You want to go ahead and make sure you lay it down, and we're going to actually melt that glue in so it can be stuck to your head, almost as if it's coming out of your scalp. So right here, I'm going in with my blow dryer. You want to make sure you are melting this lace into your skin. because we want this to be a natural look. Do not take the scarf off until it is all the way dry. We do not want to mess up any steps before we get to the actual styling part, because I am going to go ahead and put the back portion, half of it, in a ponytail, and I do not want this lace to lift, nor do I want it to shift. So I'm going to make sure that this is all the way dry, making sure I even touch the ear tab sections. Okay, you guys can see it get into the lace, okay? So it is actually melted into my skin. I wanted to make sure I show you guys this part before I actually cut the lace. So right here, I'm going in with my scissors and my eyebrow cutters, and I'm actually gonna cut off the lace until I am done with it all the way around the perimeter. Make sure you are getting those ear tabs. They are literally so crucial for me because they are bothersome if you leave them there. Please make sure you get the ear tabs. So here it's just me against the glue at this point. And so basically I'm going in and I am reapplying some glue where I feel that the lace is going to lift. So it's those little corner pockets of the wig, like the ones that you can just like kind of pick up at the edge, and you're going to actually go in and put more glue there because it wasn't enough glue to actually hold down the front. So I'm just going in, making sure I get those little edges, and I'm going to go in with my blow dryer once again and blow it down because like I said, I do not want this style to lift as I'm doing my ponytail section of this part. So I'm actually parting my hair to the direction that I want it to. Make sure it's on the side that you need it to be on before you mold it down, because it's really hard to take apart once you mold it down. So I'm going in with my edge booster stick. It's in the scent strawberry and it's really good. You can find this at your local beauty supply. It is really good, especially if you need it to mold down at the roots and you don't want it to be all puffy. So right here, I'm just going to go in with my hot comb. You guys want to make sure that this hot comb is hot, but not too hot, because if it's too hot, it will actually take out the hair on the wig. But if you are interested in purchasing this, honestly, I would suggest to get the real thing instead of an electric one. The real thing actually goes in and gets the job done, making sure that the hairs are laying down. So right here, this ponytail actually gave me a run for my money. If you don't have the strength, whew. Okay, so the baby hairs, I'm actually gonna cut them into my liking. If you want them short and nice and neat, just go ahead and with the razor, of course, eyebrow razor. You can get it from your local beauty supply, and you're gonna cut to your liking. Just keep cutting until you like it to your desired baby hairs. Okay, so you guys always see me use Nairobi Mousse, and the reason is because it doesn't have alcohol in it, and I highly recommend for it because it actually doesn't lift the lace like all the other mousses that I have found. If you can find a mousse with no alcohol, please use it, because if you can find one, it will not lift your lace.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't.
So right here, I am brushing my hair into the bang that I need it to be. And I'm also going to use my Got To Be glue to go ahead and spray my bang down. You guys, if you guys are doing this bang part, you guys want to make sure it is where you want it to be and make sure it's the right placement, because it can shift, especially if you're just spraying it and you are not trying to dry it. Make sure you dry it though, because it won't get hard and it won't stay still if you're not drying it. So make sure you keep blow drying it. Also, make sure it's not falling down. So I am going to go in with a 14-inch hair. I did get this from the beauty supply. So go ahead and make sure you get you some hair for this style. And you're just going to take that and bobby pin the hair in place to the ponytail. And you're going to make sure that it is intact. And you're going to go ahead and wrap it around the ponytail, as much hair as you need for the up style that you're going to do.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
So I'm going to go ahead and take it all the way back with this Pump It Up spray. I love this smell. So what you're going to do is take a piece of hair that you are going to curl, and you're going to curl it all the way up into a really tight curl and go ahead and get it off the flat iron and just pin it just like that. Yep, easy. So go ahead and do that, and you just keep building around it, little small curls, and you got your updo.
Baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Right now, I'm just going in with the flat iron, making sure everything is nice and flat and everything is good. And I'm just going in sections, making sure there's no wave in the hair. And right here, we're going in with the pink glosser to get anything gloss. Comment below if you remember this spray. I love it. Okay, so this is the finished product. Go ahead and check out B. Ruger Company and let them know I sent you. You see the vibes. 90s all the way around. Stop playing.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call.